Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions, and xpath is a popular method for locating elements on a web page. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Selenium with Python to find elements using xpath. Install Selenium. Make sure you have Selenium installed. You can install it using pip. Download webdriver. Download the webdriver for the browser you intend to automate, example Chrome driver for Chrome, Gecko driver for Firefox, and add its location to your system's path. Create a Python script, example xpath_example.py, and follow the steps below. Create an instance of the webdriver for the browser you want to use, in this example, Chrome. Navigate to the desired web page using the get method. Use the find_element_by_spath method to locate an element on the page using xpath. Replace / tag at attribute equals value with the actual xpath expression for the element you want to locate. You can use browser developer tools to inspect elements and obtain their xpath. Once you have located the element, you can perform various actions, such as clicking, sending keys, or extracting text. Finally, close the webdriver to end the session. Here's a complete example script that opens a browser, navigates to a page, and interacts with an element using xpath. Replace the xpath expression and web page URL with your specific values. This example provides a basic structure for using Selenium with xpath in Python. Customize it according to your specific automation needs. ChatGPT.